Gravity is a fundamental force in nature that causes objects with mass to be attracted to each other. It is the force that gives weight to physical objects and governs the motion of celestial bodies like planets, stars, and galaxies. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravitational pull. This force is responsible for a variety of phenomena in our everyday lives and in the universe. Here are some examples to help illustrate the concept of gravity. Objects falling. One of the most common examples of gravity is the dropping of objects. When you release an object from a certain height, it falls to the ground due to the gravitational pull of the Earth. The acceleration of this fall is approximately 9.8 near the surface of the Earth. Planetary orbits. Gravity is what keeps planets in orbit around the Sun. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps planets like Earth in a continuous elliptical orbit. Similarly, the Moon is held in orbit around Earth by Earth's gravity. Tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun on Earth's oceans causes tides. When the gravitational force is stronger on one side of the Earth, because the Moon or Sun is overhead, it creates a bulge in the water, resulting in high tide. Orbital motion of satellites. Artificial satellites and the International Space Station, ISS, are held in orbit around Earth by gravity. They are essentially in a state of continuous free fall toward Earth, but are moving forward fast enough that they keep missing it. Is this conversation helpful so far? Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.